Hello guys, here is Join Team. Today I will show Bluetooth pair the NFC this function. Okay, this is device for test device. You can check this power switch display, this calling, this microphone, this reset, this NFC put sticker, this position display, calling, reset. Okay, it's already connected. You can disconnect. You can disconnect it. Show inquiry connecting. It show connected. Okay. When you testing, this is external microphone. And this for dash kit. This dash kit, if your head unit is have this position, we already put this one in the head unit. Come with head unit. If it's broken, this external microphone, and you can connect it. This do not connect as well. Please. Like this connected as well.
然后用胶布把它包好。
And you can cover with the tape.
然后机器面板上还有一个。
And you can check this microphone. It's built-in microphone and this is external microphone. Okay. Let me test the calling. Hello? Hello? You can check the right, left speaker. Right speaker. The Bluetooth voice from front passenger.
那你呢？大盗。
我。
例如打。
这是我的使命。
When you the calling. This microphone test. Hello, hello, Join. Hello. Okay, no problem.
关机。
It's also automatic play.
In 200 Metern biegen Sie rechts ab.
You can choose the call. Hello, this is Join. Hello. This is NFC sticker, and when you put this, you can check this is connected.
这我们手机测试
OK
一下。
Let me test the
把那个关
phone.
掉，
那个
把那个仪器关掉。哎，对，关掉它。好了 ，OK。
Please at first open the Bluetooth.
打开以后呢，在蓝牙这个地方搜索。
And pair this position. Click search Galaxy S8 and pair it. You will get the Bluetooth pairing request. Please put the 0000040 and please choose the pin and click OK.
再点一下配对。
And please press the pair button again.
再输入。
To show connecting, and you have to open the NFC switch from your phone. For Samsung, this NFC position, and you can put this sticker on this position. It's show disconnected. And you put again. Disconnecting. Connecting. Connecting. Disconnecting. Disconnecting. Connecting.
播放一下声音。
Connecting.
播放一下音乐。
这个
蓝牙音乐，你的手机蓝牙音乐。
you can
In 300 Metern biegen Sie rechts ab.
play the Bluetooth from your phone. You can control your Bluetooth.
In 30 Metern biegen Sie rechts
它
ab.
这个是导航的用。
This navigation.
In 90 Metern biegen Sie links ab.
四下 NFC。往前。四下 NFC 可以。
Let me try the NFC sticker. Put this position. Disconnected.
再来。
Connecting.
好了，播放一下。
Okay, let me try again. Disconnecting.
再试一下。
Connecting.
按一下。
In 300 Metern halb rechts abbiegen.
再按一下。然后告诉顾客人，他要自己要手机的话，安卓手机有缓存，必须每1天关一次手机，或者说出现异常一次。
Hello guys,
Halb rechts abbiegen.
I need to tell something to you. This is important because for this Bluetooth for joining head unit, we already tested the Bluetooth and NFC this function, no problem. We will test it 3 times when it ships. And if you do not pair the Bluetooth from your phone, you need to reboot the head unit from your phone. You need to reboot your phone. Then you try the pair again. It can work. Join head units Bluetooth, no problem. the problem may be from your phone, iPhone or Android phone.
对，然后听一下音乐吧。
And let me listen the music Bluetooth from the Bluetooth.